Perkenalkan, nama saya Zelma Putri Setiawan, NIM 2021 11 052, kelas 2B Manajemen. Di sini saya akan membacakan rangkuman UAS Bahasa Inggris dengan jurnal yang berjudul Manajemen Analisis. Human Resource Management Practice and Corporate Entrepreneurship. Abstract. Environmental change and ever-increased competition among corporations have compelled business to invite investing. Over the five decades, the competition great notable attention among research and practice silent competitive. Competitive strategies that even performance. Additionally, the result-based view of the firm claims that human records are the primary enabler of competitive. Notable, a limited but reaching body of research have empirically examined the relationship between human resource management practice and corporate entrepreneurship. However, research waiting to draw consulting convert a significant offset, as a comparator entrepreneurship is not a one-dimensional concept. The operating purpose of the study is to investigate the relationship between human resource management practice and corporate entrepreneurship. This paper used a quantitative design, quantitative survey methods to assess human record management practice and corporate entrepreneurship. Data have been collected from a professionally questioned sample of employer for pressure. Hypotheses were tested using a particularized square structural equation modeling. The findings show that out of for harm practice, the practice with employment, technical training, compensation, and incentive system, positivity, impact corporate enter irony, no significant bond between perform operational and corporate entrepreneurship. Practical implementation for managers are discussed on of paper. Introduction. It is accent that innovation are critical enabler of from competitive advance. Change and ever competitive among corporations have competitiveness to be constantly innovative to be. Companies must increase their adaptively flexibility and competitive be cultivating integration with their organization. Alternative more closely allied with the concept of corporate entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurial activity be deficit and individual to collaboration decision making. The entrepreneur capacity in laboratory making innovation contribute by the entrepreneur. They may take the form of a gradual and continuous. This might take the form of a of a gradual and continuous sequence of organizational and technical improvement. Therefore, the literature recognizes this kind of intellectual effort and behavior. As corporate interface, there are various explanations of corporate interest on Miller. There are various explanations. Relationship refers to exploiting and nurturing an intercultural within coffin wells. Past literation defines corporate educational in promoting innovative in this organization. New project implying think exploring and communication innovative goods and service. Furthermore, notion that the goal of management effort inside the organization is to achieve sustained competitive advantage. Attaining a sustained competitive advantage enables a business to generate economic gain or return above the market average. As a result, this focus on how organizations create and present competitive. The solution to this issue is the ownership of some essential resources, including value, duplicate, obsolete, and other reality. At their most foundational level, the physical, organizational, and human aspects. Regan have seen a shift of interest in the appreciation of value by a firm human records. A growing body of literature has given evidence that the influence of corporate entrepreneurship on organizational performance, growth, and profitability at UNA. The literature found some critical factors that contribute to the development of corporate with organization. A survey method was employed for the collection of data from small and medium-sized when academic and research assess the firm external environment, organization, structure, and human resource management were critical enabler of corporate and entrepreneurship method. This study aimed to invest the relationship between practice and corporate innovation in Sri Lanka, grounded on rigorous ontology and epistemology assumption. The present research generates a quantitative survey research method, a self-administration question based to garner data. The questionnaire includes 3 selections that are demographic variable, paratic and comparator. In the relationship, the population and current study council of owner-manager in Sri Lanka. The purpose sampling method used Marshall data. The unit of analysis was individual level. On the research questionnaire, multi-field in questionnaires were discarded and eventually various in this study. The sample repression 68% and 32% female. This shows that females have low representation in the SMEs sector in Sri Lanka. The respondents have varying age group with a mean of 34 years. Measure. Corporate entrepreneurship was measured by a 9-item scale developed. Employee acquisition create employer to be attacked to fit between the person and company. Systematic training need assessment providing job relevant training. Result and discussion. In this study, particles were equation modeling. All hypotheses, the evaluation of the measure model, outer model, and assuming the structural model, inner model, her international consistent of the measurement. Model has been assessed for ensuring reliability and validity. The model reliability is tested using composite reliability. Crunch alpha and rho. Table 1 so that a crunch positive reliability and growth alpha greater than the research value. Thus confirm the measure model international. The conversion of the model was assigned using average varied extract due to informant support to the confidence. Converted validity of the model using two methods. One, the formal and Laker citation requirement that the square root of the of each construct be greater than the collection with any other construct. Table 2 so the result of discriminant validity and the coincidence is met. The second method was if the values are less than the test value. It can be cited that the discriminant validity on model is satisfactory. Table 3 show that all values are less than their solved value. Thus, this model, it does not indicate any discriminant validity problem for all constructs. Values of the constructs emphasize an adequate level of predictability which is higher than the showcase value. Table 4 predicts prevalence of the model was achieved using with polling pro culture. The model predictive relation is satisfactory. Innovation is the silent enabler of corporate entrepreneurship, and human recursive are the real lever of firm innovation. Tools of firm human resources and its effective management can facilitate corporate inter with firm. That is to say, to nurture corporate entrepreneurship organization have to craft ideal and rigorous practice that called firm to learn from innovation with result corporate growth. Thus, the present study staff to investigate the relationship between and corporate entrepreneurship entrepreneurship. The study hypotheses were tested by arching subcells, bootstrapping, and the results are depicted in Table 5. So, selective hearing practice enables them to attack and retain creative and competitive individuals who embrace working and problems that are critical in evoking corporate entrepreneurship. Frame solve their competent individual and make them congruent with the company goals and values. Additional, firm equipped with talent and skillful individual can leverage entrepreneurial insight. The hypothesis, the follow-up indicating medium-sized effect. The results are in line with the Eleanor student. The findings suggest that training allows individuals to shape their work-related attitude and behavior. Training is a good practice that helps employers to control the factors that hinder individual performance and satisfaction. And Donato found effective training and staff development practice have a positive association with firm innovation. Through training is an advantage of corporate entrepreneurship. Since training only affect corporate entrepreneurship, the firm sold training to their employees. System called an obstacle in informing entrepreneurial behavior in firm performance, their work related and to strengthen and motivate the desired behavior that are vital in enhancing corporate entrepreneurship in organization. Importantly, performance should focus on the end result of the method deployed to attain those outcomes. The result is in support previous to this and early investment in human capital and offering incentives for the contributor of innovation are the significant aspect concerning firm innovation. In Canvitas facilities, attitude and individual drive to contribute to the organization innovativeness. Sattar and Ahmed found compensation aid in continued commitment and diligence that are vital in the new venture success. This study presents several significant particle employer for managers were getting employer. Consultation and recommendation. Over the last two, global competition has compelled firms to become more an oriental surface enter. Horizontal, their people innovation capabilities will ranging from performance. The fitting so that of the home should employ technical training, compensation, and system. The study opinion suggests that innovation is one the salient factor from corporate performance. Have a great potential to employers' creativity and innovative that make help our owner manager focus their energy and financial resources of human. The findings of the study can be deployed as a mechanism of organization to boost innovation to attain those frameworks by close attention on their practice of congruence with other parties in the organization. Additional, the effective system should cover reverse staffing. Limitation of the study, insight into future research. Firstly, cross-sectional data generate to investigate the relationship between this could be adherent to link between whole weaver. No assumption regarding causality can be drawn. Future research can focus on longitudinal study in investigation. Relationship. Secondly, the study is conducted in sector alone. Thus, the findings could be specific to this sector. Should consider mating and motivating various concerns in the between and the finding of the study can be deployed and impact organization practice to overcome interbehavior. Sekian uas saya ucapkan terima kasih, maaf jika ada salah kata dan lainnya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.